Hello, 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 hello. Hi, family. Hi, friends. How are you out there in YouTube land today? Today is Sunday, and yes, I made it back. I'm here for a second video. How about that? Oh, yeah. I gotta pat myself on the back because I gotta make sure I keep going. All right. So make sure you give me lots of encouragement. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share my video. And then turn on that notification bell so that you will be notified the next time that I upload another video next Sunday. Okay. That's the protocol for doing YouTube videos. Okay. All righty then. Oh my goodness. Well, this is going to be a short video today. Today's video is going to be about me trying a little something something. It's not a DIY. However, it's a it's a cook white eye. Let me stop. I love to laugh. I love to be silly. I love to have fun. And if you do too, yeah, hang out with me, Brenda Lee. Alrighty? And we'll have lots of fun together. However, so I'm going to tell it myself, alrighty? Because last Sunday, which was Easter Sunday, I decided that I was going to cook me a little quick go together recipe. My husband and I, we were supposed to go out and get something to eat, and then things went left. And I ended up home, and he had to go take care of some business. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to get these ingredients that I just bought at the supermarket, and I am going to throw me together a quick meal. So, like I said, I have been craving bacon. I don't know why. Usually the only time I eat bacon is when I buy a bacon cheeseburger, bacon double cheeseburger or whatever from Wendy's, right? And so I don't like buying bacon because it pops all over the place and it's just so messy. So I'd rather not have to cook it. But I wanted it so bad, and I guess because I wanted to be a little creative, I just went and bought the bacon anyway. So I put all of the ingredients together and I whipped up a meal, and it turned out really good. I was so proud of myself. Yes, I had to pat myself on the back because I don't like cooking. And I figure if I add cooking to my videos, then that would make it a whole lot more fun. And that way I get to get creative with my food because I guess I don't know. I don't like cooking because it seems like the preparation is too long. Getting everything together and having to cook this, and while that's cooking, start something else, and while that's cooking, I don't know. I've never been a fan for cooking. So that's why I figure if I add cooking to my videos, then that might change my perspective on cooking. And I just might start liking it. Because guess what? I can add some little fanciness to it and make it really look, the presentation on the plate look really nice and stuff like that, which I didn't do that in this video. However, as I go along with some more cooking videos that will be coming up in the future, I will try to make the presentation exciting. Alrighty? So anyway, I am going to go ahead and let this video play. Like I said, it's really short. This is not a decorating video because I am loving my Easter decorations. So I'm not ready to change up my spaces right now. So just stick around. Keep coming to see me. Keep coming to hang out with Brenda Lee, that's me. And we will have more decorating videos coming up. Organizational videos. I am working on my closet. So that's a video that I'll be getting out soon. And I have some canvas art that I want to change. So I want to use not cement, but like the plaster, I think that's what it is, that pink stuff. You wipe it on your palette. I think that's the right word. You wipe it on your canvas so that you can make some type of design out of it, and then you start your painting or whatever design you want to do. But that's going to be a lot of fun, and whatever else I can think of. But yes, do come back to visit me so that we can have lots of fun. Okay? Alrighty, so let's jump into this video. I'll see you around. Talk to you soon. And thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you being here. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell. Alrighty, so that the next time I upload, which will be next Sunday, you'll get a reminder. Okay? Thank you again. I really appreciate you. See you around. Good night. Have a wonderful evening. Well, look at here. OMG. What do you think I can create with these items? Well, stick around and see. This is a spare of the moment off the top of my head recipe. Well, let's see what it will turn out to be. Talk to you soon so you can check out the finished product. Alrighty? Well, looky here. Don't she look like she is ready to go in the oven so she can get the cooking? So I'm going to let her bake for about a good 25 or 30 minutes, and she is going to be cooked to perfection. Okay, so we are looking pretty good here, and the next step is to sprinkle it with some provolone, one of my favorite, and mozzarella cheese. And then we will be done. Okay, stay tuned. Almost there. Alrighty. Ooh, don't she look beautiful? I sure hope she tastes as good as she looks. Yes, that is my chicken bake with onions, green peppers, and diced tomatoes with some butter on top. Then sprinkled with some mozzarella and provolone cheese. Oh my goodness, topped with a strip of bacon. I didn't put bacon on each piece. Right, bacon or cheese on each piece, because my husband is not a bacon or a cheesy person. Alrighty, there you have it. I'll let you know what the final outcome was, whether or not it's tasty as it looks. Okay? Not bad for off the top of my head, spare the moment. It looks good to me, and it looks healthy. It's pretty good. You should have some. You should try it. And this is what grateful looks like. It turned out so delicious. I was so proud of myself. My bacon was crispy, my chicken was tender, and all those green peppers and onions and diced tomatoes and mozzarella and my provolone. And if I didn't mention before, I forgot to say I drizzled my chicken with some egg batter. I just used some egg and a little bit of water and just drizzled it on top of everything. It turned out really good. So that was my chicken bacon bake. Whatever. But anyway, it was delicious. Give it a try. You might like it. Thank you so very much, everyone, for hanging out with Brenda Lee. That's me, and checking out my cooking video. I really do appreciate it. Hopefully, you will hit the subscribe button, the like button, the comment section, and share. Share with your friends and family. Somebody might be looking for a new recipe. You never know. Well, everyone, please have a wonderful evening, and I will talk to you soon. My next video will be coming out on Sunday.